Okay, so this is part 3 of our three-dimensional letters. So far to this point, you should have block letters. You should have the top of the letters that are going to the vanishing point. And what I mean by that is we should be able to put a line on each, the top part, and it should line up with the vanishing point. Now, if you drew the lines to the actual vanishing point, well, that means you're going to do a lot of erasing, because we actually need to see no lines up here right now. We just want to see the letters and the top part, what we call the depth of the letters. So once you are to this point, we are going to draw, I want you to draw a line, a really light line down the center of your paper. And mine is a little bit darker than it needs to be, but again, I want you to be able to see that on the video. Now, what this line does is it shows us that anything that is on the left side of this line means that we are going to see the actual, okay, don't be confused, but we're going to see the right side of the letters, okay? Because basically what's happening, if I take this is my little sound machine here, but if it's to the left of the vanishing point, then we see the right side of it right here. So this is the top of it, or the face of it, and this is the right side that's going back in space. Same thing happens over here, except for now it reverses. Vanishing point is here, so now we see the left side of it. Okay? So this will make more sense as we get going. So we're now going to go from each corner of our letter, or each, like top and bottom. We already did the top, but here's a corner, and we're going to draw a line to the vanishing point. But we can stop that once we hit this top barrier line. So I'm going to go from this corner to the vanishing point, but I'm going to stop it once it hits either a letter or this barrier line. So I'm going to do that. Pencil, vanishing point, and stop. Okay, I hit the line right there. I'm now going to go down to the bottom. There we go. Move my camera a little bit here. I'm now going to go to the bottom of my J, which is where the bottom edge of my paper is. And again, I'm going to draw a line all the way up, and I can't go any further than this barrier line, even though it lines up at the vanishing point. Okay, so I'm going to do that with the E. I'm going to line it up here, go to the vanishing point. I'm going to do that with every corner on this right side. See that corner right there? I drew a line towards the vanishing point, but it stopped once it hits part of the J, E. From here, all the way, there's a corner. Draw it. I'm running out of corners now. I am, because I'm now to that point where I hit the middle line. So now what do? I have an N line right here though. Okay, so I can't do anything but, oh, now I'm going to show the left side. So I'm on this N right here. Let's go to this N. And I'm going to go to the vanishing point and up. In each of these corners to the vanishing point. And to the vanishing point. Would I see one here? I don't think so, because it goes through the letter. So I'm just going to stop that. And so I have all these lines here.